Kaizer Chiefs' pursuit of Fiston Mayele has gained momentum as reports suggest Pyramids FC are open to offloading the Congolese striker at the end of the season. The Egyptian club is believed to be actively searching for his replacement, signalling a willingness to negotiate a transfer. Mayele showcased his quality once again with a stunning brace in the KF Champions League quarter-final first leg against AS FAR, proving his ability to perform at the highest level in African club football. Chiefs, eager to bolster their attack, are reportedly prioritising Mayele as a top target for the upcoming transfer window. With 1 year left on his contract, Pyramids are considering cashing in rather than risk losing him for free when his deal expires in June 2026. Previous reports suggested they turned down a bid of around 15 million rand from Chiefs, but with the striker entering the final year of his contract, they could be more open to negotiations. The club is already looking at potential replacements, including DRC forward iBholo from Sekhukhune United. This further indicates that Mayele's departure is a real possibility, whether to Chiefs or another club. Since joining Pyramids, the 30-year-old has been a key player and consistent goalscorer. All signs point toward a significant transfer move in the upcoming window as Chiefs look to reinforce their attacking options.